G'day you mob, welcome to this episode of Aussie English, the number one place for anyone and everyone wanting to learn Australian English. Now today is one of the free episodes this week where I'm going to be teaching you an Australian slang term. If you want the second episode, make sure that you check out the premium podcast up here above where you will get the extra video, transcript and all the downloads related to that episode and over 900 other episodes on the podcast as well. Anyway, today's episode is all about the Aussie slang expression to go bananas. Have you heard this one before? To go bananas. Man, she's going bananas. This party's going bananas. I wonder if you can work out what it means. If something goes bananas, it goes crazy, right? There's a lot of activity. It's a tumultuous situation. Things are going nuts. They're going bananas. So here are some example sentences of how I would use this expression. Imagine that when I was a kid, I came home one day after school, went into my sister's bedroom and stole her stereo because I wanted to listen to some music. So she comes home, knocks on my bedroom door and is like, "Pete, what the hell? Why have you got my stereo? Give it back. Give it back!" She goes bananas. She loses her temper. She gets very, very angry. My sister went bananas. Another example might be if you're a really bad teenage boy, you steal the keys to your parents' car, you get in the car and you go for a bit of a joyride because you are a bit of a hoon. Another Aussie expression there for you, someone who likes to drive fast, a hoon. So you steal the car, you go for a joyride, you come back, and when you come back, your parents go bananas. They lose their temper, they go nuts, they get very angry, they go bananas. So there you go guys, that is the little expression, the little slang term to go bananas. You can use this anywhere in Australia. People are going to understand what you mean. If a situation goes bananas, if a person goes bananas, it goes crazy, or the person gets really angry and goes nuts, goes bananas. So my challenge to you as always guys is to use this expression in a comment below. Listen again, listen to those examples. And most importantly, go out there and use it when you're speaking Australian English. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'm Pete. This is Aussie English. See you in the next episode.